How to deal with Ola Fare Mismatch or Overcharge. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issues when you are dealing with Ola Fare Mismatch or Overcharge, then here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open or launch the application on your mobile device and navigate to your past trips or ride history. And similarly, once you locate the specific ride where you were overcharged, simply select it and look for an option like ride help or fare to high or raise a complaint within the trip details. And once you click on that, just clearly explain the fare mismatch or overcharge by providing any relevant details such as the estimated fare versus the final charged fare. So once you submit the complaint through the app, Ola will review your complaint and may process a refund, which can often be returned to your bank account or offered as a coupon for your next ride. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.